Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to change the font style in Google Sheets. Let's begin. First of all, open your Google spreadsheet. Then zoom out, open your document, select text and see this default, click and now see this many text style, bold, default and use selected text and change all text font. Click the sheet or select full table as you wish. Default. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.